Uriti mukondo yu lehyo Rwiro Rwa Meru Uni Mount Kenya Run tudarwetana mbere ya kwambĩrĩria tarĩki 3 mwanka tarĩki 5 Marimba Campus. Vice Romanus Odhiambo arũa rũro rũu nĩ rũkũtha mbeca ciotetheria na barabo mwĩte mĩciĩtio ciumba kũmenyera rera na kinya kũrona mũrimo iyo nyimba. Brian Kimathi aina cionkuluki.
Muthenya jona Rwiro Rwa Meru University nĩ rugũrĩte ndwĩro cia mountain run iria ciĩthĩra cia gũchangithia mbeca cia kũrũa na mũrimũ wa kansa, kũthomithia na bakuma njĩra itegũciumba ĩrĩ kagita kajaire kũthithia untobobo arĩa batongeretwo ni Vice Chancellor wa cukuru ĩyo Romanus Odhiambo bagwete mwingi ũgeni.
We are inaugurating our second edition of the Meru University of Science and Technology Mount Kenya Run. And my purpose of really talking with you is basically to invite all of you, people from Meru, our county, people from Kenya, people from all over the world. So I would like to welcome all of you to this great occasion that we'll be doing between 3rd and 5th, concluding by the mountain run in our Marimba Campus at the slope of Mount Kenya.
Moronto jo kinya riu iri kuendelea gutetheria kirindo aija murimo jwa kansa, gutigira ba kuthomithia ritwa na kumenyera riera.
Na Meru region nondo staff bao kona aba baingi researchers. Now that is a way to give to the community through our research. And also tuna manto ya kwanda miti together tuna miti KFS, Kenya Forest Services, Kenyan Defense Forces and our staff.
Rwiro Rwa wetu ruru ige second edition rwa kethoro Marimba on Saturday tariki 5 September. Ni Rwiro rukethero ni categories kadhaa. First of all tukethero twina 14 kilometers ya antu bara twitaga elite kana kimbiaji professionals na tumbe gutethia jiana iria itukumba ke mauntu ma mathomo na twitho twina mbeca jia kumba kuthithia research ya cancer na also mauntu ma conservation ya environment.
The idea behind the endowment fund is basically to help our poor students, to help conserve the environment and also to sensitize Kenyans about the cancer prevalence in this country, which is really affecting you and me, all of us.
Ere kagita kajaire ni bakojerete masiara jango gira baitere kirindo iroji kagita kambere na bagitegera Kenya kwagirithia mantu nkuruki.
Help the students, but the first one, whatever we collected, because our funds are flexi model, we took some money and helped some needy students. So basically that is the first impact.
Ke report rande Soro TV kumatigania mbita Brian Kimathi.